When you create a new presentation, do you have to add certain things like the logo into the footer on every single slide? Maybe change the colors, add edging or backgrounds to make it look interesting, but it gets a bit long-winded and tedious. Well, let's look at how you can do that quite quickly and automatically. Okay, so I have a presentation here. It's just a generic training presentation, and you can see I've got some text in it. I'm just going to change it so it's a normal view so you can just see what it looks like. Very dull and boring. If I wanted to, I could go into design and add a design, but maybe none of these fit my corporate branding or image. So these ones are not always appropriate to use. But what we're going to create or amend is something called the slide masters. And there's a set of these, and they apply to every slide in your presentation. Okay, so we go up to View, and in View you have your master views. There are 3 of them. You have the Slide Master, Handout Master, so these ones can be printed and they're little smaller images or thumbnails of your slide so that people can take them away or write notes with them. And then you have your Notes Master, and these put the slide at the top, and the notes that you write in the notes section will appear below. Okay, so we're just going to go to the Slide Master, and you can see here is the slide set, and it has one larger slide followed by sub-slides. And when you pause on each, they should tell you what it's called. So this one's called Title Only, and it's used by 5 slides. And you can see if it's not used by any, it tells you no slides are using them. These are just standard. But there might be situations where you want to create your own, and you can do that. So this top slide it's the template for the rest. So what you add to this slide will add to every single slide in this set. And yes, you can have multiple sets. It's called the master layout, and then it would add a whole new one underneath. So what you can do is say you want to have an image or logo. I'm just going to insert something from the stock images. I'm going to use a sticker here. Yeah. Okay, so you can see every slide is showing this little image. If I then add more to it, so say I add a shape, okay, I'm just going to send this to the back, and then maybe make it so that it's graduated. No outline. Not quite graduated enough. That's it. Great, you can see it's done that to every single slide. I want to get rid of something, it goes on every single slide. I can change the colors. So I can have the colors I've created myself, or I can use the built-in ones. I can even customize more. Okay. Okay, and that took just a minute to update. I can add fonts, change my fonts to be whatever I'd like to use. And then they change for the whole presentation. Okay, I'm just going to insert another picture. So this I'm going to have as my, I think I might have just an illustration here. That's it. You can see some of these illustrations pick up the color scheme. That's it. But on my title page, I might not want the same. Maybe I don't want this at all. I want it to be completely different. In this case, you can see I can't select it, but I can go into Insert and just add a shape over top. And I can send that to the back and make that the same as the background. Yeah. This one has an outline as well, so I'm just going to get rid of that outline. And now it gets rid of that. I can then move things around, change them. Maybe I want some graphics in here, whatever you'd like. Okay, and you can also do this to edit templates that you've used that you think, oh, I like that, but it's not quite what I want. You would come into the master and make changes. Okay, so I'm just going to insert another shape here. Okay, and you can then move items around. Maybe I want the font here to be completely different. Okay, so all I'm doing is customizing this to fit whatever I want. And I'm just going to get rid of that one because I don't want that anymore, and I don't want it here as well. That's it. Okay, so you can see how I've just changed this. If I don't like it, I can still go in and change, say I just want to change all the colors. And because I've stuck mostly with using the built-in colors, then it will just update everything that I've used that built-in colors for. Okay, that's great. I can even resize, move things. Yeah, so for any of these. But I can also create my own. So say this one's a section heading. Maybe I have a subsection or specific type of slide that I want. Now I can either right mouse click and duplicate, right? Okay, or I can, now this is the slide master, or I can insert an actual layout. So if I just insert a layout, it just adds that in. So if I want to copy something that's there, you'd right mouse click and duplicate. Otherwise, you go in and just insert a layout. I can rename, you can right mouse click to rename as well, but I can rename this one. So, oh, that's the wrong one. I want to take this one, the one I created, rename it. You can see custom layout, not really great. So I can say this is my SmartArt layout. And this is the one I want to use for SmartArt. And also in Slide Master, I have placeholders. So you can see I have specific ones just for SmartArt. The content is the generic where it gives me the choices, but I do want this to be SmartArt. And I'd like it to be like this. That's it. And then as soon as I close this, it's just applied it to my entire presentation. Okay. The only reason it wouldn't is if you have some that have a different slide master. So once you get to your presentation, you can see most of the slides, they've kind of, well, they've updated a little bit. Some of them, this is a really old presentation and it has a lot of old items that haven't been converted. They're not PowerPoint objects. And so a reset may not work for them. I'd have to convert them into PowerPoint objects. But this slide, just being text, just looks awful. It's not the format that is in the slide master. A reset should adjust it to fit what the slide master is formatted for. Now, this means that if you have a presentation where somebody has sat there and gone to every slide, and yes, I have seen this happen, gone to every slide and manually adjusted them, and every slide has different bullet points, different size fonts. Everything is completely, maybe they've even adjusted all sorts of things here, and it just looks messy. Reset is a quick way to just apply the master to that slide. And as I said, as long as it's PowerPoint items, it's absolutely fine. But if they've say copied from Excel and pasted it as an image, or it's really old something, say from an old Excel, and it's a graph, and that's looking at the old Excel, it's taking the colors from there and somebody's manually adjusted them. When you change the master, those items might not change. But if you're creating a new presentation based on this, every new slide, you can see, has all of and I just have to go in and get rid of that footer, because that's an old footer from the original training presentation. And I can click to add my text, and then I can add my bullets here. The great thing is as long as I haven't adjusted, say, the text color, if I go into View and Slide Master, and I then change this text color, so I'm just going to do that. There we go. And now I exit out of my Slide Master, the titles should change. But if I go in and I'm like, don't like that, I want it to be black, And then I go back to the slide master and adjust the slide master. So again, I'm just going to change the color here. That's it. And that one. Close this. You can see this slide has changed, but this slide that I manually adjusted didn't. And that's where this reset comes in. And again, it applies the slide master to this slide. Okay, this one you can see it's not adjusted. So it could be my master on this slide is what's the word? It's oh, where's my view? View, slide master, this slide. Let's see the slide type first. Layout. This is a title only. So I'm going to go into view, go into slide master and find the title only. Here it is. And you can see it's because it's a different type. Now, if I'd gone up to the very top to this main layout and adjusted it here, it adjusts it throughout the presentation. So you can see anything I have not manually changed has now applied the same as this one here. And if I exit, it now has adjusted it. Okay, so anything with the title and content is going to be one color. All the other ones are going to be a different color or the same. Yeah. Okay. Now the slide master is something that if you're going to create a template, create a custom slide master. If you want your logo on certain slides, you put your logo, company name, colors, fonts, whatever. Create the type of slides that you want to use in there. And then save it as a template. Okay, I should have a link at the end on how to save a presentation as a template. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on the thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.